Welcome to Calmlish English, a place where words feel soft and learning feels like breathing. Today's word is gentle. Let's listen to it slowly. Gentle. Gentle is an adjective. Gentle means soft, kind, and not rough. It describes the way we touch, the way we speak, the way we live. Gentle hands, gentle words, gentle hearts. Let's say it together. Gentle. Again, slowly. Gentle. Can you feel how smooth it sounds? The gen is soft, and the tull fades like a whisper. Here are some examples. She gave the baby a gentle hug. The rain was gentle, falling quietly. He spoke in a gentle voice. Gentle can describe actions, feelings, and even the world around us. Why do we love the word gentle? Because it reminds us that strength does not need to be loud, that kindness can be quiet. Gentleness is not weakness, it is power wrapped in care. When life feels hard, be gentle with yourself. When the world feels cold, be gentle with others. Gentle is love in soft form. Now, listen to this short story. She walked in the garden at dawn. The flowers opened slowly. The air was cool and the sunlight was gentle. Her heart felt quiet. Her breath was gentle too. Close your eyes if you wish. Listen again. Let the word gentle settle in your heart. Thank you for listening with me today. This is Calmlish English, where language meets peace. Remember, you are gentle, you are kind, and you are enough. See you in the next calm word.